Hi, my name's Joe Williams with Bluedog Wire Strippers, and today we're going to be checking out the BWS-50 SAR wire stripping machine. So, I think one of the most important things when you're actually watching these videos is making sure that if you want to buy this machine, it's going to make you money. And let me tell you, this machine is designed exactly to do that. If you have scrap wire laying around your shop, you're going to want to definitely take advantage of the bare bright copper prices, and the way you're going to make that scrap wire into bare bright is by running it through the BWS-50 SAR wire stripping machine. So, how do you do that? It's very simple. It's a self-adjusting spring tension system. When you're stripping wire, you're probably going to have the kitchen sink of wire in front of you. You'll have 16 gauge, 500 MCM, 750 MCM, every kind of wire imaginable. And all you need to do is just take that wire, put it in the right size feed hole. The machine's going to pull it through, put a strip down it, and all you have to do is peel the coating off, and that's how you get your bare bright copper. Just put it through this, the BWS-50 SAR, and you're going to be making tons of money. You'll be just ecstatic. This machine is designed for our medium-sized businesses out there. Any sort of contractor, electrician, scrap guy, anyone that has a pile of wire is going to definitely want this machine. It's going to help them. It's going to give you a competitive edge, help you make more money. And who doesn't want to make more money? And that's what this machine is going to do. So, let me tell you a few features about the BWS-50 SAR. I guess I'll start with this point. The reason it's called the BWS-50 SAR is it's BWS, which stands for Bluedog Wire Strippers. Obviously, you found us on the website. 50 stands for the largest hole diameter in metric of what you can run through this machine. Convert that over, that is 2 inches and to a minimum of 16 gauge. So pretty cool. That's a huge span of wire that you can run through this machine. And SAR stands for standalone with reverse. So you got it right here, standalone machine, a well-designed standalone machine, I might add. It's waist height right here. I'm 6'2", very easy to work. You aren't going to have to crouch over, and there's some other machines on the market, and let me tell you, when you see these things, you're going to be bending over like this. It's not very good for your back. You're going to want a Bluedog. The Bluedog's nice and high. Look at it. So, on the front here, we've got 15 feed holes. As I was saying, it has 16 gauge all the way up to 2 inch, just self-tension, spring tension system. Put the wire in, and away you go. You won't have to manually lower or raise a blade. Just, it'll do it itself. And as we go down here, you've got a start-stop switch. You also have a forward and reverse switch. Reverse, well, that's why it's SAR, standalone with reverse. So if you have to basically, let's say you're running wire through and you get into a light jam situation, you're going to want to throw it in reverse, and it'll come back out again. You just sawzall it off, and then you can run the machine through, or the wire through, and away you go. Just very, very simple to use. And it also comes with a 3 horsepower motor. Excellent amount of power in order to run this machine. It runs off of 110, 120 volt. If you are running this machine, we strongly advise that you have a dedicated breaker designed, just basically running this machine. You're not going to want to have other lights and stuff running. You might use up too much of the amperage on the circuit. Just make sure that you have this dedicated on a breaker when you're running it through. So that's some description of the BWS-50 SAR. Now we're going to show you the good stuff. We'll show you how it works. All right, so this is the part you've been waiting for to see the practical demonstration of the BWS-50 SAR wire stripping machine. Oh boy, now it's time to see how you're going to make money. So let's start it out. We're going to start with some 1/4 inch wire here, PVC coated. Show you how easy this is to do. Look at that, we turned it on, she's going. Now all we need to do is feed it through. Look at that. One pass through the machine. Coating comes off. Bare bright copper. Real easy to do. Awesome. Let's try another piece. Right now we got some thinner stuff here. This looks like it's 14 gauge solid. Run this baby through. Check that out. Ran through in real time. And now I got to find where the slit hole was. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. Nice and easy. A little bit of junk on the end there, but shows you how easy that is to strip. 14 gauge. One pass through the machine. Money, money, money. Let's check out some more. We got some 12 gauge here. Looks like 12 gauge stranded. Let's check this out. Put it through the machine. Feeds through nice and fast. If I might add, it's one of the fastest machines that we got. So now I got to see where that actually stripped. Ooh, this one's going to need a little bit more tension. So it is self-adjusting, but every so often you're going to get a piece that you might need to turn the tension up on because the coating could be a little bit off. So once again, 12 gauge stranded, running it through, put the tension up ever so slightly, and check this out. One pass through, and we got pure copper. What a nice way to make money. Let's check out some more. I think this is that THHN stuff. We're looking at about 3/8 inch right here, stranded. We're gonna run it through. Let's check it out. Peeling it off, just like butter. Man, nice and easy. Run a couple more pieces through. Right here, we're sitting with stranded 1/4 inch. Went through the machine, nice and easy. Look at that. Doesn't get any easier than that. Nice way to make lots of money. And check out this stuff. This stuff has a really, really hard coating. It's 3/0 wire. And again, a THHN material, but this one feels super thick to me. We're gonna run it through the machine and see how easy it is to strip. So this one's a multi-coated wire. It's got this exterior coating, which I'm peeling off now. Now we get to the good stuff down below. Look at that. You got yourself some nice copper. Bare bright. So that was a demonstration of how the BWS-50 SAR works. As I said, it's very easy to use. You just basically put the wire through and it'll do the rest. Once in a while, you might need to adjust the tension rods at the top of the machine. That's only really if you need to dig deeper into the wire. That's what it's meant for, is to create more tension between the top and bottom roller. And just remember that if you do put it through and it doesn't look like it's digging deep enough into the wire, you're going to want to turn the tension up a little bit. Now, some other things that I want to talk about with the BWS-50 SAR are, when you buy it from us, you actually get a full extra set of blades There's 19 blades inside the machine, and you get an extra full set, an extra 19 blades. So you're going to have backup down the road. Really useful feature. You also get an extra set of belts as well. So if anything happens down the road, you're going to have enough belts, you're going to have blades, you're going to have backup parts. We'll take care of you. Got a big warehouse full of these machines. We got all the parts in stock. If you have anything that goes wrong, just give us a call, 866-901-2278, and we'd be more than happy to look after you. So some other cool things about the BWS-50 SAR is it does Romex cable as well. And I have been asked this question before, actually recently over the phone, and I just thought I'd address it in the video. If you're running Romex cable through the machine, it is a multiple pass process. You're going to have to run through it first with the, to take the outside coating off, and then the inside strands will have to be run through as well. And then you peel the coating off, and basically you have then recovered all the wire on the machine. Another thing I might like to add about the BWS-50 SAR is it's not designed to strip BX cable. If you have any aluminum shielded or metal shielded cable, you'll void your warranty if you run it through the machine. Don't run it through the machine. It's not designed for that. If you do have some, we strongly suggest that you pull out the inside strands. The BWS-50 SAR is designed for anything rubber, PVC, plastic coated. You can run that through here all day long, strip it down, make your big money, and the machine will last years for you, no problem at all. So, I'm glad you watched this video. My name's Joe Williams with Bluedog Wire Strippers. You can check us out on the web, copper-wire-stripper.com. Again, this is the BWS-50 SAR. Super deal, fantastic bang for the buck. You're going to be glad that you get one. If you need to strip wire, this is the machine for you. Be happy to hear from you. And believe it or not, I'm the guy that picks up the phone. So if you call 866-901-2278, I'll answer any of your questions. I look forward to hearing from you. Please like our YouTube video, like our Facebook page. Just like us all around. I appreciate you watching this video. I'm Joe Williams with Bluedog Wire Strippers. Take care. Thank you.